Welcome to this program. Today we are going to discuss about the important objective questions in this chapter. Now the question number 1. The presence of which of the following defects decreases the density of the crystal? Okay, we already discussed the Frenkel defect will decreases the density of the crystal. Answer A is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following adopts the normal spinal structure? We already find out, that is we already discussed in the spinals and antispinal. MgAl2O4, Mg2 plus Al3 plus O4. This is a best example for normal spinal structure. The answer B is correct. Question number 3. The substance which shows the antiferromagnetism is. Here Mn2O3 is the best example for the substance which shows antiferromagnetism. Therefore the correct answer is D. Question number 4. The Stokes defect in a crystal is caused by A. Migration of ions to the surface, B. Migration of ions to the interfacial space, loss of electron, loss of anion. Here the correct answer is A. The migration of ions to the surface. The migration of ions to the interfacial surface is a defect, Frenkel defect. About migration of ion to the surface is the correct answer. Option A is correct. Question number 5. The addition of a trace of boron to silicon give rise to A. N-type of semiconductor, B. P-type of semiconductor, C. Intrinsic semiconductor, D. Superconductor. The correct answer is A. That is N-type of semiconductor. That is the correct answer. Next, which of the following as an example of inverse spinal? Inverse spinal example. Here the correct answer is MgAl2O4. It is an example of inverse spinal, which is the correct answer. Question number 7. Silicon doped with the indium is an example of. அதாவது இங்கே வந்து impurities ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அப்போ impurities ஆட் பண்ணும்போது the best example is extrinsic semiconductor. D is the correct. இதில் இன்னொன்று கேட்கலாம், the silicon வந்து doped with indium is an example for extrinsic. impurities ஆட் பண்ணுறதுனால extrinsic semiconductor சொல்கிறோம். The extrinsic semiconductorல N type of semiconductor, B type of semiconductor கேட்கலாம். அப்படி கேட்டால் B type of semiconductor தான் மோஸ்ட் ப்ராபபிள் ஆன்சர். இப்போ இந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு இது எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி கேட்டிருக்குன்னா impurities பேஸ் பண்ணி கேட்டிருக்கிறதுனால extrinsic semiconductor is the example. சூப்பர் கண்டக்டர்ஸ் ஆர் டயாமேக்னெட்டிக். இது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். சூப்பர் கண்டக்டர்ஸ் வந்து டயாமேக்னெட்டிக். ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஏ. All spinal structures have A. CCP array of ion, B. simple cubic structure, C. BCC array of ions, D. HCP array of ions. We already discussed. The correct answer is CCP array of ions. Answer A is correct. Question number 10. Consider the following statement. Ferrometric substances become paramagnetic at Curie point, and this one is correct. Paramagnetic substance become paramagnetic at Curie point. Correct. Paramagnetic substance become ferromagnetic at Neil point. It is wrong. The what is we call this? The second statement is wrong. And antiferromagnetic substances become diamagnetic at Neil temperature. Becomes at Neil temperature. Above Neil temperature is correct. அதனால இதுவும் தப்பு. 4. Antiferromagnetic substance become paramagnetic at Neil point. இங்கே வந்து diamagnetic கொடுத்துருக்கு, அதனால இது தப்பு. இங்கே வந்து paramagnetic கொடுத்ததுனால it is correct at Neil point. Antiferromagnetic substance become diamagnetic at Neil point. இது தப்பு. அப்போ 2, 3 தப்பு. இதெல்லாம் கரெக்டு, 1 4 கரெக்டு, 2 3 ராங். therefore the correct answer is B. அப்போ நல்லா கவனிச்சுங்க. ferromagnetic substance become paramagnetic substance at Curie point வந்து இது கரெக்டு. paramagnetic substance become ferromagnetic at Neil point இது தப்பு. antiferromagnetic substance become diamagnetic அப்படிங்கிறது தப்பு, at Neil point தப்பு. antiferromagnetic substances become paramagnetic substances at Neil point, which is also correct. But the correct answer is B. 1 and 4 are correct, 2 and 3 are wrong. Answer B is correct. Which of the following is a ferromagnetic material? A. Fe3O4, B. MgFe2O4, C. CuFe2O4. All of this. The correct answer is all of this. D is the correct answer. Question number 12. The retention of magnetic moment of ferromagnetic substance after removal of external field is called magnetization, B. ferrimagnetization, C. magnetic hysteresis, D. magnetic probability. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் உனக்கு magnetic hysteresis, இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது magnetic hysteresis. இது எந்த சப்ஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கும்னா ferromagnetic சப்ஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கும். therefore the correct answer is C. magnetic hysteresis. Answer is C. In normal spinal, the structure of transition metals XT seen. பொதுவாக வந்து transition metal வந்து +3 oxidation state இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி octahedral void வந்து என்ன செய்யும், ஆக்குபை பண்ணும். அப்போ +3 octahedral. the correct option A is correct. அப்போ in normal spinal structure, the transition metal exists in +3 oxidation state and occupy the octahedral voids. Option A is correct. Question number 4. Choose the incorrect match from the following. Stocky defect நல்லா தெரியும், sodium chloride, cesium chloride இது நல்லா ஞாபகம். Frenkel defect AgBr ZnS, it is also correct. Metal excess defect NiO ZnO2 இது வந்து incorrect statement. Metal deficiency defect FeO FeS. அப்போ incorrect statement is C. The correct answer for the question is C. Question number 15. The ferromagnetism of the metal is lost at ferromagnetism நமக்கு என்ன வரணும், Curie temperature வரணும். அப்போ critical temperature இல்லை, transition temperature இல்லை, erotic temperature இல்லை. எது correct answer? The Curie temperature is the correct answer. Answer B is correct. Question number 16. Choose the correct one. A. Arsenic in germanium, P type, it is also correct. Nitrogen in diamond, N type, இது தப்பு. இது பார்த்த உடனே நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். நைட்ரஜன் இன் டைப் வந்து N type, இது தப்பு. ஓகே. தென் indium in germanium, P type. Boron in indium in type. Here the incorrect statement is, answer is B. Choose the correct statement illa, choose the incorrect statement. The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Among the following, which one of is an example for Frenkel defect? எதில் இங்கே Frenkel defect இருக்கும், ஏற்கனவே பார்த்துருக்கோம். ZnS zinc sulfate, cesium sulfate wrong, KPr wrong, sodium chloride wrong. அப்போ எதில் Frenkel defect இருக்கும், ZnX. The correct answer is C. Stocky defects appears due to strong ionic compound having high coordination number, weakly ionic compounds with low coordination number, strongly covalent compound having high coordination number, strongly covalent compounds having low coordination number. நமக்கு பார்த்த உடனே கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் தெரியும். strongly ionic compound having high coordination number. Answer A is correct. Choose the correct statement from the following. 1. The transition metal A2 or D0, D5, D10 transition metals form spiral structure. Correct. A transition metal A2 with D1 or D2 or D3 or D4 or D6 or D7 or D8 or D9 configuration form inverse spinel. It is correct. non-transition metal B3 or transition metal B3 with D0, D5, D10 configuration form inverse final. It is also correct. The transition metal A2 with lower CFC value for inversional spinel. It is wrong. High CFC value for inverse final. The statement 4 is incorrect. Wrong statement. The statement 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option B is correct. 1, 2, 3. The answer is B. Question number 20. Choose the normal spinels from the following. Normal finals from the following. MgAl2O4, Mn3O4. It is normal spinel. FeCr2O4, CO3OC4. This is the inverse final. It is also normal spinel. NiFe2O4 and Fe3O4. Fe3O4 is the inverse final. COFe2O4 and NiAl2O4. It is also inverse final. 1 and 2 are normal final. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Which of the following is a ferromagnetic material? This is ferromagnetic material. Fe3O4, MgFe2O4, CuFe2O4, D, all of this. This is ferromagnetic material. All are ferromagnetic material and all are inverse spinel. This inverse spinel. That is ferromagnetic in nature. Answer D is correct. Question number 22. The antiferromagnetic substance behave as a normal ferromagnetic substance. Antiferromagnetic என்ன temperature வரணும்? Neal temperature. அப்போ critical temperature தப்பு, Curie temperature தப்பு, transition temperature தப்பு, Neal temperature. Antiferromagnetismக்கு Neal temperature வரணும், ferromagnetismக்கு என்ன வரணும்? Curie temperature வரணும். The answer C is correct. Neal temperature. The antiferromagnetic substance behave as a normal ferromagnetic substance at above the Neal temperature. Answer C is correct. Question number 23. The total number of octahedral voids per unit cell of Ab2O4 in a spinal ferrite occupied by the cation is. அதாவது 1 வந்து 1/8 னா B2ங்கிறது 16. அப்போ the correct answer is A here. Which of the following adopts normal spinal structure? Normal spinal structure வந்து Fe3O4 இப்போதான் பார்த்தோம், inverse spinal. COFeO2O4 inverse spinal. NiFe2O4 it is also inverse spinal. அப்போ FeCr2O4 this is the normal spinal. The correct answer is B. The example மட்டும் நல்லா ஞாபகிட்டாலே போதும், எது நார்மல் ஸ்பைனல் எது வந்து இன்வெர்ஸ் ஸ்பைனல்ங்கிறதுல ஈஸியாக சொல்லிடலாம். Question number, the normal spinal structure MgAl2O5, the percentage of tetrahedral voids occupied by. இப்போ இதில் நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டியது tetrahedral voidsல வந்து நார்மல் spinal structure the percentage of tetrahedral voids occupied by இது வந்து என்னன்னா 1/8, அதாவது 12.5%. 12.5%. Answer D is correct. Here answer D is correct. And O2 minus is CCP. B3 plus is half of the octahedral voids and A2 plus is 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids. 1/8 of the tetrahedral voids. The space lattice describe B. இதனால தெரியும் B3 வந்து octahedral voidsலையும் A2 வந்து tetrahedral voidsல இருந்ததுன்னா அது வந்து normal spinal. The correct answer for the question is C. இது வந்து normal spinal. அந்த 1/8 ன்னு சொல்றோம்ல, அந்த 1/8 தான் என்னது 12.5%. அதான் tetrahedral voidsக்கு 12.5%. Answer for 26th question, answer C is correct. For 27, in a spinal leg structure Mg2 plus present in the tetrahedral voids, right? Al3 plus present in the octahedral voids, whereas FCC is formed by O2 minus. Select the correct statement. Answer C is correct. The formula for final structure AlMg2O8 தப்பு. It is an inverse final தப்பு. It is a mixed final தப்பு. அப்போ the formula for spinels MgAl2O4. The correct answer is C for this question. Question number 28. In the normal spinal structure, all the three positive ions occupied by tetrahedral voids தப்பு, FCC lattice point தப்பு, trigonal voids wrong, octahedral voids tripositive ion வந்து எங்க இருக்கும், octahedral voidsல இருக்கும். The correct answer is D. For this question, the correct answer is D. 29. Which of the following is ferromagnetic material? Ferromagnetic material. ஏற்கனவே டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Fe3O4, MgFe2O4, CuFe2O4, all of these. The correct answer for this question is D. எல்லாமே என்ன, ferromagnetic material. 30. Which of the following are inverse spinel? பார்த்தோன்னே தெரியுது, Fe3O4 வந்து inverse spinel, MgAl2O4 வந்து normal spinal, and Mn3O4 normal spinal, FeCr2O4 normal spinal. அப்போ inverse spinal என்னது, Fe3O4. The correct answer is C.